You are looking live at a mostly cloudy central Virginia as viewed by our camera atop Carter Mountain. It looks like it wants to rain or snow, but it's been mainly on the dry side, and that will continue as we head into your Friday evening. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. It's also been mostly dry across the central and southern Blue Ridge Mountains. This is a live view from the top of Wintergreen, where they've been able to make some snow. Yeah, they've had their snow guns blowing overnight last night, and they'll continue to do that this weekend as it will turn on the colder side, especially during the overnight hours. Now, the northern Blue Ridge Mountains, as we saw in first weather, it is on the snowy side, but that's really confined to the northern Virginia Blue Ridge Mountains. In that first forecast for most of you tonight, it's dry, it's mostly cloudy, and a gusty wind from the northwest, and temperatures pretty much holding steady all night long in the low to mid 40s, so not quite as cold as it was late last night when we had lows basically around freezing. In your Saturday first forecast, it will still be on the brisk side. It'll be a blend of clouds and some sunshine breaking out. Daytime highs closer to average for this time of the year. Highs today have been mostly in the 40s. Tomorrow is more like the mid 50s across much of the area with a brisk northwest wind, so it will feel cool, especially in the shade. So those wind advisories continue through 6 a.m. on Saturday for the Blue Ridge Mountains. That's where winds may gust up to 50 miles per hour, so keep that in mind along the Blue Ridge Parkway, Skyline Drive, Afton Mountain, I-64, Swift Run Gap over Route 33, and for the lowlands, it's 25 to 35 miles per hour, and it'll still be on the breezy side, but not quite as gusty tomorrow. So the radar is showing, a little bit of precipitation. A lot of this is not reaching the ground. The atmosphere is relatively dry here at ground level, but there could be a few sprinkles out here, especially near and east of Route 15 towards I-95. And there's that snow over the northern Blue Ridge Mountains with anywhere from perhaps a coat of snow, an inch or so over areas of Old Rag Mountain. So that's really confined off to the north. Most of you will not see any snow at all. There's a live view from Stanton, a break of sun along the I-81 corridor, and there's that skiff of snow along the West Virginia border along I-64 west of the Covington area. And it's an all-out blizzard for our neighbors to the west at Snowshoe Cheat Mountain, where they've had near whiteout conditions, and they'll measure the snow with a foot or two by later on tomorrow. It's all part of this cold northwest wind flow ushering in this colder than average weather. There are blizzard warnings to the west over the high country of West Virginia, so keep that in mind if you have travel plans north and west. I would hold off until Sunday. Futurecast shows brisk breezes tomorrow, 15-25 miles per hour, so it will be on the brisk side. You'll need that to coat or the windbreaker heading out to Scott Stadium tomorrow for the UVA game kickoff at midday tomorrow. So Futurecast shows not a whole lot going on. At least the snow stays to our west over the Allegheny Highlands, the western slopes. Futurecast shows tomorrow a blend of clouds and some sunshine, and it will be dry, so pretty good travel weather on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But then as we look ahead towards Thanksgiving, after the big travel day Wednesday, it looks like on Thursday, rain will arrive from the west, maybe some snow for Pennsylvania, but for our area, that's a cold rain on Thanksgiving Thursday, so keep that in mind. We'll keep you updated on that for sure. So overnight lows will be in the 40s, a brisk wind chills in the 20s and 30s. Highs tomorrow, low to mid 50s, sun and clouds, but a cool day, but seasonably so. 7-day forecast, 30s tomorrow night, 60s, low 60s, and a bit milder on Sunday, mid 60s on Monday, the warmest day, low 60s Tuesday. We're dry Wednesday in the 50s behind a dry cold front, and wet weather, chilly rain is likely, a cold rain on Thursday, and maybe drier skies and colder conditions for shoppers next Friday.